So Stellar XLM has surpassed AVAX in terms of market capitalization to take the 12th spot in the overall cryptocurrency market by market capitalization. We're going to talk about that in this video. We also have some news with Ondo Finance incorporating into the Stellar XLM network as well. Let's jump into it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on X if you're watching over there. And let's get into our video here. So we can see here, this is a CoinMarketCap. We're taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency list by the top cryptos by market cap. We can see Stellar's taking the 12th spot here, up about 1.2% over the last 24 hours, where AVAX is actually down almost 3%. So, obviously taking a look at that, they just flipped. It has, it's very, very close. AVAX could actually potentially come back to regain their position, but as of right now, that is what's going on. We take a look at the top gainers here today. We got Flare coming in at 16%, an outlier in the overall market. XDC coming in behind them at almost 5%. So we can see there's not a heck of a lot going on in the market today. Things are just kind of holding steady, so to speak. The market cap is down to 3.11 trillion, sitting just down about 1%. So Bitcoin's sitting at about 95K. It's been hovering between 95, like 97-ish. It's actually coming down a little bit now, but we had some U.S. jobs news coming in today. So we're also going to take a look at what's going on in the Stellar network. So this is an update of what's going on. This came out on February 6th. This is actually on the Stellar network, or the Stellar website itself, stellar.org. And this is in their blog section. So they're welcoming Ondo's USDY to the Stellar networks. What does this really mean for, what are they onboarding here? The Stellar Development Foundation is excited to welcome the Ondo Finance and its yield-bearing stablecoin, the United States Dollar Yield, USDY, to the Stellar network. Ondo's yield coin is a product backed by high-quality short-term U.S. Treasuries and bank demand deposits, and it's going to launch on the Stellar network in the coming months. It's going to expand the breadth of real-world assets being used for a variety of payment, remittance, and on-chain financial applications. Ondo joins industry leaders. Some are Circle, Paxos, Franklin Templeton, and Wisdom Tree Prime as world-class digital asset issuers who are now using the powerful built-in features of the Stellar network. They are tokenizing real-world assets on Stellar XLM. So what does this really provide? Well, they're giving treasury management and collateralization, offering 24/7 liquidity and transparency, all the tools they need basically to maintain those investments, enhanced cross-border payments, allowing businesses to optimize their balance sheets and enhance capital efficiency. Obviously, XLM deals a little bit more with peer-to-peer type situations, but they also deal with corporations and companies as well, kind of similar to XRP in a way, but a little bit different. They also are offering this as wealth preservation, supporting individuals in pursuit of savings and earning goals. And they're really helping bank the unbanked too, right? A lot of that comes into play. We talk about that in the channel all the time. There's a number of people in this world that do not have access to financial markets and bank accounts. And really, that really hinders their growth, their potential in the financial space. And this has given them some of that inclusion, right? And that's what they're kind of building towards. And I think it's a really important thing to have in 2025 is people have access to funds and access to wealth management, because really, how can we trust, big banks with our money? We've seen what's happening with banks. We've seen, the corruption. We've seen what it's like to go and trying to take, funds out of the bank and such, and to be able to hold your own assets and to make sure that you are managing your own funds is a huge deal. So that's why I really like Stellar. I also like XRP in that regard as well, just with the remittances, cross-border payments, and making it easy and quick and efficient for people to manage their own funds. And that's what I really love about cryptocurrency. I love the fact that, we have access to our funds. You don't have to go to, okay, so here's a story. I bought a camper, like just a really, really small one for when I go on, I do some off-roading with my Jeep, right? So I'm in a club and sometimes we'll go on little trips or whatever. And I bought a small camper to haul around with me. It's very, very light. And to get the funds out of my bank account to go and buy this camper. And I mean, it was only like $7,000 or something like that, a little over $7,000. And the amount of hoops I had to jump through to get my money the next day. I was actually had some contacts at the bank. I was kind of like messaging back and forth, like, "Hey, can you help me out here? Like, I'm going to need this money tomorrow, or else I could lose the sale," kind of thing. And it really shows, it puts it into perspective. And a buddy of mine that came to get the trailer with me, he looked it all over for me, and he said, I was explaining to him how crypto solves problems like this, and he actually got a crypto.com wallet. Or not wallet, but he downloaded the crypto.com app a couple weeks ago, and I've been showing him how to buy and sell crypto and kind of how to use the charts and stuff like that. And he's really into it, and he's really wanting to learn about it. And I thought it was great. I do have a link in my description down below for crypto.com if you want to earn up to $50 to start your trading journey, or to just supplement whatever you want to buy. But my point is, there's a lot of people out there that don't realize the impact that crypto can have, and how easy and quick it can be to manage your own funds. And really, that's just pretty much what I got to say, and that's why I like XLM a lot, because it's going to give other people in this world the ability to do what we can do here. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Hopefully you guys liked it and tuned in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on X. Leave me a comment down below. Are you an XLM holder? Hopefully you are if you're watching this video, but maybe you're just curious, interested. Let me know what you like about XLM, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.